All right, so today I'm demonstrating the aluminum and steels test kit. I think it's the Kozlo Detective Lab that has this test. It says to use a piece of emery paper and just shine up the metal, taking whatever residue off the surface so the test works out a little better. I'm going to do 5 different types of metal all at one time, because that's the way I roll. All right, that's Kozlo solution number 34. Then the instructions call out for the electrospot process for 15 seconds. So I'll do it. The electrospot has a built-in timer, which makes it really easy. This piece is 17.4 pH. This is a piece of 304 stainless steel, so I expect a negative result from this one. The next step is the developer solution, and that's where the color reaction happens. So this is just the first step. First, cleaning the surface, then putting the solution 34, the test paper, and then we put the developer solution on at the end. This piece of metal is called CDA 614. And by the way, these samples are available from Kozlo Scientific Company if you do need a reference metal. And that's what these are. These are reference metals. So the first one is K500, 17.4 pH, 304, CDA 464, and whatever I said for that last one. Okay, when I turn them over, as you can see, nothing happened yet. It left a little mark on the metal, but that's easy to clean off again with just a little bit of emery paper. Okay. Now I'm adding solution 22. The instructions call for either 1 or 2 drops. And then you follow up with a long wavelength, such as a black light. And I found that this little battery-powered flashlight works really pretty well. And what we're looking for is a glowing on the paper. And this one, I definitely see a glow. This one definitely has a glow. So these two, very positive results. This one's even more. This is the CDA 614. Looks really good. This one looks good too. I don't know if you see it in the video, but there's especially that one. It really has a glowing green color to it. This one, 304, no glow whatsoever. 17.4 pH, nothing. And this may have a tiny bit. I think the Monel K500 should be tried again at some point. I think we can expect to get a glow out of that, but this is kind of minimal, and it looks like this battery might be getting a little low. But anyway, that concludes the test.